Ma'am.
1 second, I will copy down that question. It is
Ma'am, in which exercise, ma'am? I have my book with me now.
first one. The third one.
Third exercise, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm not able to copy these, so I will write it down better. Yeah, the values are 0.04. 23rd one, no, first?
Yes, ma'am.
0.00 to 0.04,
Yes.
0.04 to 0.08, 0.08 to 0.12, 24, 0.12, 0.16, 0.16, 0.20, 0.20 to 0.24. And the frequency 499242. 499242. Right? So you have to calculate here mean value. Average you have to calculate. This is Fi. So find out Xi. Xi is 0.04 by 2 is 0.02. 0.06, 0.10, 0.10, 0.14,
0.18.
0.18, 0.22.
0.22.
Yeah. Now any one of the value 10 or 14. Any one you can consider as A. I will consider this as A. So it is Di.
I consider 10 as A.
Okay, this is A. Fine. So it will become minus 0.08. Minus 0.04.
Yeah.
This is
0.04. 0.04.
8.
08 and 0.12.
0.12. UI. What is the difference? 4.
Minus 0.32.
Ah,
0.32 minus
assume
0.32.
method why you are doing?
Ma'am?
Why assume method you are doing? If you are getting by step deviation method, the simple value you will get. Why you are doing that for them? It is directly minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. You will get the answer. Minus 8,
Yeah.
minus 9, 0, 2, 8, and 6. That's the reason I told you step deviation method is always better. Because of these things, in these cases. Now it is
And
minus
plus my
20.
calculation became very long.
Yeah, because of that it will happen. So it is minus 1 is Fi, FIUI, and summation Fi is equal to 30. 18, 20, 20, 30.
Yes, ma'am,
Right?
it's 30.
30. So it is mean is equal to A plus summation FIUI by summation Fi into H. A is 0.1 plus minus 1 by 30 into 0.04. So it is 0.1 minus 0.04 by 30. So here multiply with 100, 100. So 0.1 minus 4 by 30 into 100. 0.1 minus here 4 by 3 is 1.33 divided by 1000. 0.0. Is that right? No, H is 0.04, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, it's 0.04.
So divided by 1000, that means 3 decimal places, 0.0133. So 0.1 minus 0.00133. Do this division. Subtraction, sorry. The answer is 7, 6, 9, no 8, 9, 9, 0, 0.0, 0.99867.
Ma'am,
So I have done some mistake. Say it's 09, sorry. It is 0. 0.09867.
the answer is given here 0.099.
So this is this one approximated. Because of this 6, this becomes 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'll just copy this.
Ananya, no homework share till. Today was your deadline.
Yeah, ma'am. I'll send it after class.
Completed next after the 23rd,
24.
24th also, right?
Yes, ma'am, 24th.
This is easier. What happened in this? So they have not constant, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Size is not constant, then don't use step deviation. Use assume mean method. Class size is not same here. Frequency is given 11, 10, 7, 4,
431.
4, 3, 1. So here class size is not same. So here what is the difference between the this one assume mean method and the step deviation is the UI value. So for UI you are doing UI is equal to DI by H. Now here class size is not same in this question. So don't use the class size part. So do with the assume mean method. Mary was asked me last class she has already asked me this question and that time told when the class size is not same then don't use step deviation, use assume mean. So this is 6 minus 0, 6 plus 0 is 6 by 2, that is 3. 10 plus 6, 16, 16 by 2, 8. 24 by 2, 12. 34 by 2, 17. 28, 48 by 2, 24. This is 16, 6, 66, that is this is 33. they are not equal values will come. Earlier it is interval was same. Now here interval was not same. So whatever it is, we will solve it that way. 78 by 2, it is 39. Then di. So any one value as a. So this is a. So 3 minus 17 minus 14 minus 9 minus 5 0 7 7 7 and 16 and it is 2 1 or 2 2 22. Now FIDI 11 into 14 minus 154 minus 90 minus 35 0 28 48 and 22. Sum of FIDI 9 17 to 79 minus, and this is 48 plus 22 70 98 1 16 no 18. Yes, 181 minus 181 is FIDI. And what is summation FI? 21 plus 7 28 32 36 36 plus 4 40. So mean is equal to A plus summation FIDI by summation FI. A is 17 plus minus 181 by 40. Simplify this. 17 minus 181 by 40. It is 4 tens are 4 fours are 16, 21, 4 fives are 20.25. So 17 minus 4.525 and then subtract it. So it is 475. 1, 3, 5, 2, 12, 12.475. Yes, exact answer. 12.475 is the answer. So whenever class intervals are not same, then the size is not same, then use assume mean method.
That's where I went wrong, ma'am.
Ma'am, this year in statistics there is no graphs, ma'am.
Yes.
There is no graphs in this chapter. Yeah.
Graph is there, yes. Ogives are there.
No, in this chapter.
In this chapter, graphs are there. In this chapter, graphs are also there. Done. 26 one, you will leave. When I will explain median, then we will come back to that question. Because that is a part of, first when I will explain
Okay.
it, that time only we understood that question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the question was kind of different, so I got
No, that is,
confused.
yeah, that is, this one values are not given in a proper class, intervals are not given. They have given the below 30, below 40, below 50, like that they have given.
I did, ma'am, but I did it and I got the answer is 93.
You'll not get it. Okay, that is a median part. Given value is a cumulative frequency. Okay. All others done. All other except 26, all others have been done.
Ma'am, I didn't know about the homework.
Okay. Saptashi, you are not sending me again homework. Again, everything stopped.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll send it right now. I forgot to send you.
Nishant, both Nishant. Nishan D, no homework I'm getting.
Ma'am,
Yes,
you put these questions on the ROS group.
yes,
I didn't get them.
in the group itself. Yesterday I sent a picture.
Ma'am, just now you had told not to do some sum, right? Which question number is that, ma'am?
That is 26th one only. That is right now don't do. We are doing that one
Oh, okay.
afterwards.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then starting with the median part. Next part, that is median. Only one method. There is two methods actually, graphical method and the formula method. So we are starting with the formula just now. So for median, only one extra table you are forming. So I will give you the values first so that we can solve. So it is 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and 40 to 45, right? So frequency is given 5, 6, 15, 10, 5, 6, 15, 10, 5, 4, 2, 2. Okay, so these are the frequencies that have been given. So first step, what we have to do is find cumulative frequency. Vishnumaya, listen very carefully. And Hansika. So now what is cumulative frequency? So this is we call a CF, cumulative frequency. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how to find out cumulative frequency? See, so cumulative frequency means actually we are writing the value cumulative of the classes. That is, we are writing this as less than 10, less than 20, or below, sorry, 15, or below 20, below 25, below, we are converting class intervals in this form, below 30, below 35, below 40, and below 45. Then if you want the values below 10, what will be the frequency? Below 10 means only 5 to 10.
5.
Then the frequency will be 5. But when we tell the frequency as below 15, then below 15 means from 5 to 15. So what is the number?
11.
11.
So we have to add these two. So that is 11. Now if I want below 20, so below 20 means the sum of all three. Below 20 means from
26.
5 to 20. That means we have to add all three terms.
Oh,
First two terms already sum, we have written 11 here. So in that 11 we are adding 15. So it will become 26, right? Now below 25 means including all from 5 to 25. That means the sum of all these frequencies.
36.
Till three parts, 26 we have already done. So in 26 we are adding 10 to get the value 36. Now 36 is the sum of all these four terms. Now below 30 means what? everything below from 5 to 30. That means sum of all these 5 terms. Out of 4 terms, the sum is 36. Now in 36, if you add 5, you will get 41. So below 30, frequency is 41. Below 35, frequency will be 41 plus 4, that is 45. Below 40 is 45 plus 2, that is 47. And below 45 means including everything from 5 to 45. So that means sum of all these terms. So that is 49. So sum of all frequency is 49. So we write this as sum of frequencies Fi, or it is also given this different name as symbol as N is equal to 49. Clear how to find out cumulative frequency?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you going to do? So this is not supposed to write. This is for your information. I told you why we are finding out this way. Is that clear? So this class intervals you are not writing in this form. This is only for your information. So you are writing only cumulative frequency. That is first number you are writing as it is. In this number, the next frequency you are adding, then the second cumulative frequency. In 11, when you add 15, you will get 26. In 26, you add 10, you will get 36. 36 plus 5 is equal to 41. 41 plus 4 is equal to 45. 45 plus 2 is equal to 47. And 47 plus 2 is equal to 49. This way, first we have to calculate cumulative frequency. Am I right? Is it clear to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hansika, Shamavi, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So finding cumulative frequency. Now the second part, find median class. Median class. That means we have to calculate that class in which median can be lying. Median is present in that class, that is called as median class. Now how to find out that? For that, first find out n by 2. So what is n? 49 we have. So 49 by 2, it is 24.5. Find the cumulative frequency. Find CF just above 24.5. Just above 24.5. That is 26. Is that clear? Just above 24.5, which is the value? 26. So this class is median class. So this is median class. Is it clear how to find out?
Yes, ma'am.
First, what you have to do? Find n. N is the sum of all frequencies. Find n by 2. That is 49 by 2. We got 24.5. Just above this n by 2 value, whichever the value is available, so that class, that CF values class is the median class. Is that clear?
Just the next number, no, ma'am.
Just the next number, just after the 24.5, or that n by 2, whatever the value it is. What that number can be anything.
Ma'am, can you just tell it again?
First find out n, that is the last frequency, cumulative frequency, that is n value, that you got to know.
Yes.
Then find n by 2, that is divided that number with 2.
Okay.
We will get 24.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Then just near to the 24.5, above this near to 24 point, which is but greater than 24.5.
Okay.
So that number, that can be 24.5 also if it is present. Otherwise, after 24.5, closer to 24.5, but above it,
Okay.
larger than this. That is cumulative class.
Ma'am,
Now, yes,
ma'am, if there are two same values which are just
can-
above,
how it is? No, it will not be possible. Then the frequency will be 0 in that case. Is it possible frequency 0?
oh yeah, yes, ma'am.
That is only possible when the two frequencies are 0. That second frequency is 0.
Ma'am, then if that becomes 0,
Then that frequency you are not considering, the earlier value you are considering.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then you have
Yes.
the median formula as L. What is L? I will tell you. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Now what is L? L is lower limit of median class. What is median class we got? 15 to 20 is a median class. So what is the lower limit? 15. So L is 15, right? So this is 15. N by 2 we already calculated. 24.5. Now what is CF? CF is cumulative frequency of previous class. Cumulative frequency of previous class. Previous class of median class. So before 20, this is a median class 26. So previous cumulative frequency is 11. So here cumulative frequency is 11. Now divided by frequency. What is frequency? This is a frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. And H, that is what is the frequency of
concept na miss pantana.
Varnika, mute your mic. Now what is F? F is the frequency of the median class. This is actual frequency and this is cumulative frequency. So actual frequency is 15. So here the value will come 15 into H is class width or class size. So what is the class size here? Everywhere is a constant, that is 5. And then solve this calculation. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So it is 15 plus 24.5 minus 11 is 13.5 by 3. So which is 15 plus 3 fours are 12.5. That is equal to 19.5 is the median. You have to remember the formula and what do you mean by that symbols that you have to remember.
Mom,
Yes.
Mom, we have to take the above one.
Above one, yeah, just above the median class.
Yes, ma'am. And the other thing, and then
Other thing which are related to that that median class only.
yes, ma'am. Median class down and the CF is up.
Yeah. L is the lower limit of the median class. First thing you have to do is finding the median class. Then the L value. L is the lower limit of that median class. Whatever the median class is there, lower limit, that is the least value, 15. N by 2 is half the frequency. CF, cumulative frequency of the previous class. So this is median class. So one above that is 11. So that is the CF value. Divided by F, F is the frequency of the median class. That is 15 into class width.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for me, ma'am, like when median and what is the other thing, ma'am? Assume mean, ma'am. Median and mean, ma'am. When we do all that together, I always get confused. Like, as I confuse myself with assume mean method and everything together, ma'am. Like, is there any way not to get confused? Like, I mess it up.
That is first you have to check mean. You have to calculate mean, mode, or median. So mean only has 3 formulas. So you do one thing, that is solve mean by only one method. Don't remember other methods. There are 3 methods, no, finding mean.
No, ma'am, like not like that, ma'am. Like when in one question itself, they'll ask us to find mean, median, and mode, right?
Yeah.
So in one table itself, I mark one as A. Then afterwards, when I try to find median, I mark another cumulative frequency. Then instead of A, I take something else.
Do it all table differently. Do all the tables separate.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't do it in a one single table. Do different table for median and different table for mean. Don't do it in everything in one table.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then only that will be, you can sort it out, that issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and for mean part, don't try to find out this all the remaining methods. Only remember only one method, so that you can do all the questions with one single method. Because there will not be a question regarding solve it by assume mean method, solve it by direct method, or solve it by step deviation method. You can solve by any method.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Others, median clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Formula
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Remember the formula and start solving. So do this one. First write on the formula, steps, what you have to do, and the formula. And then do the question. Write down that question.
Mom, the questions from these are all of 3 and 4 marks, mom.
Yes, 3 and 4 marks only. There are no 2 markers.
Yes, ma'am.
1 marker, yes, it is. One question of 1 mark is there if it is asked. But probability is very less.
Yes, ma'am.
This chapter is for 7 marks. 1 3-mark question and 1 4-mark question.
Ma'am, and the pair of linear equations.
That is for 6 marks, 6 to 7.
That's all, ma'am.
Yeah. But that 6 to 7 marks, out of that student this year, the students lost 4 marks. Not all students. Most of them have solved, but yeah, few students confused with that last question we have solved, no? When that question they get confused.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the screen, ma'am.
You log out and log in again.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if the class width is different, then how will you calculate the median?
Same thing. Class width is same. Upper limit minus lower limit.
No, like if it's different.
No, then yes, you can take it. That is class. Then in that case, actually the class width of the median class.
Okay.
You have to take the class width of that median class only.
Okay.
And what's the answer for the question?
Is it 19.5?
Yes, 19.5.
Got it, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Next one is 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55 till 95, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 85 to 95. Frequency is 8, 10, 15, 25, 40, 20, 15 and 7. Ananya, can you tell me now how to find out the next step? What is the next step?
Ma'am, can you repeat? Your voice is breaking because my internet is not very good over here.
Cumulative frequency.
So the first will be 8,
8.
then the next will be 18,
Okay.
then will be like 18 plus 15,
Next.
53, ma'am.
then 60, no,
58.
yeah, 58, sorry, and then 98, and then again 98 plus 20, and then it goes on like that.
Now finding median class. So what is n value?
One 140.
How to find out median class?
Ma'am, n by 2.
Wait. I'm asking one student.
And ma'am, can you repeat your question again?
How to find out median class?
N by 2,
What is n by 2?
140 by 2, that's 70.
Okay. Then next finding median class.
Ma'am,
Finding median class.
ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can.
N by so it will be n by 2.
That's done.
And then you have then n by 2 uh, minus CF.
How to find out median class? Ananya, pay attention in the class.
Ma'am, is the answer 58?
Yes.
Same here.
Ananya,
Got the same answer.
leave your work, what you're doing, and pay attention. So just 70, above 70. What is the median class? Shilia?
Ma'am, we have to calculate n by 2, that is 140 by 2, ma'am.
Yeah.
So we get 70. So the median class will be 55 to 65. That is 98.
This is median class, right? Then formula?
Then median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by frequency into H.
Right. So L is
Lower limit is 55 plus 70 minus 58
By
by
40.
40 into 10.
very good. So this is
So answer is 58.
so it is 12 by 4. This is 3. So 55 plus 3 will become 58 is the median. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. This question was Adi Sharma, fourth question. Exercise, whatever the number, 0.4. Fourth exercise of statistic, fourth question this was. Then CRT question, yes. 40 to 45. 45 to 50. 50 to 55. 55 to 60 till you have 75. 60 to 65. 65 to 70 and 70 to 75. 23866. 3 and 2.
Bagel बंद करिए मत करना.
Ma'am, for 1 second, can you scroll up?
What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Find out now.
Is n equal to 122, ma'am?
So n is equal to 122, not possible.
Ma'am, I got n is equal to 31, but
30.
so n by 2 will.
Ma'am, I got n as 30.
13, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, 30.
30, no, ma'am?
Yeah.
And then n by 2, that's 15.
15.
Ma'am, is the answer 51.6?
50?
1.6.
No.
Ma'am, I got 56.6.
56.66666.
Yeah, 6
Ah,
bar.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Is that right?
Yes, right. So round off to 56.67.
I got 56.67.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, is it 56.66, ma'am?
Yes, right.
Yes, ma'am, 55.66.
Right. Fifty 6.67, right? Now next question. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Mary, what you
Yes,
have done?
ma'am.
How you got 120?
No, ma'am, I actually added up all the cumulative frequency again and took by 2, ma'am.
Okay, next is now class intervals are not given proper. They have given the values as below 10. Below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40, below till 80. Below 60, below 70, and below 80. And the values are given 15, 35, 60, 84, 96, 127, 198, and 250. Now we have to convert. This is given in the form of the reverse one they are given. That means it is, what are the values? These are given 15 to 250. What are these values? Shambhavi, can you tell me how to do this in the normal frequency table?
Yes, ma'am. You subtract, suppose we have 15 and 35.
I was writing class intervals.
0 to 10.
0 to 10, right?
Okay. 10 to 20.
Right.
20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. 50 to 60. 60 to 70. 70 to 80.
Right. And then frequencies will be
15.
15,
35 minus 15, which is 20.
20, right? So keep subtracting the backwards, because these are the values given that of cumulative frequency. So now 60 minus 35 is 25.
25.
Then it is 24 to 12. It is 96, 431. Then it is 71. And then 50, 52. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then cumulative frequency already given. Write that as it is 15, 35, 60, 84, 96, 127, 198, and 250. How to find out now median class?
250 by 2.
So that is n by
127.
2, that is 250 by 2, that is 125. So just
Ma'am,
above
how did we
125.
127.
127.
Yes, Mary,
Ma'am, how did we get the frequency? I didn't understand that.
you are doing the reverse process. This is cumulative frequency is given. You keep subtracting the earlier one.
Oh, 35 minus 15, 60
Yes,
minus
60 minus 35, 84 minus 60. Remember, first value as it is you are keeping.
Okay. Ma'am, okay.
And then finding median by the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So lower limit of the median class, this is the median class. So lower limit is 50, n by 2 is 125, earlier value 96, frequency 31, difference 10. 50 plus 29 into 10 by 31. So 50 plus 290 by 31. Divide this. 50 plus 290 by 31. 290 by 31. Find out the answer. It is near about 8 point something.
Ma'am, 59.3.
Ma'am, 59.35, and it continued.
So 50 plus this is
9.35.
yeah. So it is 59.35.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Ma'am, in case the classes are discontinuous, then
You have to make it continuous first.
but it will come in decimal value. Can you?
Yes, here also it will come.
Ma'am, ma'am, if they ask us for finding a mean, median, and mode, and if they give us this kind of sum, ma'am, then there won't be space in the question paper, right?
What couldn't get it?
Ma'am, if they ask us mean, median, and mode, and if they give us this type of sum, ma'am, then we have to calculate like many tables, right? So
One
there
table
won't-
you calculated first. This is the main table you got. You will get it, no?
Ma'am, like now again we have to write DI, then UI,
Yeah.
XI.
So for mean you have to calculate this. Yes.
There won't be space, right, ma'am?
There won't be space.
Yes, ma'am, on the question paper. I mean, answer
Ma'am,
sheet.
like horizontally.
Your answer sheet is no in your this is no. It is fully the horizontal page is much more. This is bigger. So you are getting the same kind of pages. The same will be there in exam also.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Ma'am, that's it, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
That's it, ma'am.
Today, yes, that's it.
Ma'am, what is the homework for us?
Today's homework, those questions completed. Fourth exercise, statistic. The numbers in different books are different, chapter number. So, but the exercises are same. So you're doing exercise fourth, what are 15.4 or 7.4. In that question number, very less questions with the simple one. Question number 7. Eighth, ninth already you have solved. 16, 17, 18.
Ma'am,
Yes, that's it.
ma'am, in the 10th question, ma'am, like
Yeah.
find the missing frequencies.
No,
So
those are not there.
no,
That kind of questions you missing frequencies we have to calculate. Still, we have not done that.
like here numbers are given 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's like 0 below 0 like that. Is it like
No,
that?
you are not doing that one. That is ungrouped data actually. It is not properly in a class intervals. So don't do anything for that one. We are not doing that kind of a question. Only questions with class intervals. Okay, so 5 questions. These 5 questions we're solving.
These are based on median, ma'am.
Yeah, median part.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
So
you,
these
ma'am.
5 questions and who have not
Thank
completed
you,
the
ma'am.
earlier one.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.